tweaking or what is going on? Hell no. Yeah, it says you have to go aside, and that's why I'm just not getting gas. Oh yeah, that's a sick trick. Wow. Ooh, I want one of them new Gen 36s. It's windy today, man. I don't know if it's still 19-mile-an-hour winds, but it was when I was at the lot and I checked it. But luckily, when I checked it, it was like basically at the peak, so it should be declining now. Kind of wish I was wearing a long sleeve shirt because my arm's definitely burning right now. I got a good old farmer's tan. Yesterday, my triple tree came fully loose, so I was able to just like spin it freely with my finger. That was pretty sketch, but luckily it didn't happen until like halfway through the ride. It didn't get really bad till like more towards the end, but it was starting to feel bad for like a while. Just feeling loose and janky. Should be fun, man. Got Connor. I met him when he was on an R7, but swapped out to the 2-stroke. Teddy did the same thing, went from an R7 to a 2-stroke. Maybe I'll be next. Yeah, I haven't been to many out-of-state rides yet. Well, actually, this isn't even out-of-state for me, but I haven't been to many out-of-town rides, and so far, this is my favorite, probably. The streets have just been so good. As long as weather's good, it's freaking nice. Get that phone video, sir. Woo! Put my foot down at the foot brake. How about that? Can't really do many tricks when I'm going through a curve. I'm getting arm pump. Oh, and it's windy. Hopefully I'm able to see that video. That would be cute. Man, knee knockers on a FZ, so comfy, bro. They look so comfy too. I don't really like knee knockers on the R7 that much. They've just never really felt right compared to an FZ. Even my 636 kind of feels better for knee knockers. Yeah, I can tell. I can feel the wind now. I guess we're going like with the wind to our side. That's an interesting bike. I thought that was a bunny suit for a second. Easter bunny. Man, FZs are like half of the, or maybe just CP2 in general, it's like half of the stunt bikes that you see out now. Let's go, boy! Dip it! Dip it! You gotta dip it! Wobbly up here, boy. Let's see if we can do Frogger to spreader. It's kind of hard. Oh, we did it! Woo! Jumping around a little bit. Let this truck merge. That's one of the things about highway rides. You don't really want to be mean to the cars. We got to leave had a little speech about leaving the left lane open. Of course, people are up here hogging the left lane, so I guess they didn't really get to everybody or something. Woo! Somebody's up there swerving. They're going crazy. I see Elijah Marshall sometimes. He'll like hold his bar here and then do a no throttle hander. Doing something. I don't remember what I did, if that was from podium or what, but yeah, it hurts. You know what, I just realized I've got my mouth vent open, so hopefully y'all haven't been getting way too much wind noise. Let me see if I can shut it. Hopefully that helps. We'll see. Ooh, it's windy right here. Oh my gosh. I think that's the guy. I think this guy, could be wrong, but there was a black oh, that's a 600 actually, not the 636, but was doing circles, like stock bike circles at the gas station the other night. It was crazy. Yeah, boy. I did what I wanted to do after I saw Logan do it. The red bike Logan. Oh gosh, my arm is freaking tired. Gosh, too much brake. I think I can touch this guy's camera. When I first met Tyler, after he sold me his FZ07, that's the 636 that he went and bought. It's crazy to see it out here, small world. If you guys have been around long enough, I used to have a black 636 and the chain popped off on me one time and it whipped up. I had a red NDC subcage and it like bit some marks into the subcage, but my leg was thankfully fine and all that. Let's try to hand drag. Arm is so damn tired. I need a gosh dang Red Bull sponsorship. Daddy! Stop me, guy! I wonder why he took the Yamaha logos off his fairings, unless they're new fairings. Because mine didn't come with the Yamaha logos. I had to swap them from my stock ones. Oh, he's got clip-ons on there. Wow, I haven't seen, I don't know if I've seen an R7 with clip-ons in person. It's normally dirt bars. Wait, is it? Oh, that's like a funky triple setup. I don't know what that is. Is that? I can't tell. Oh, see, that's the one I was talking about. That subcage. That's a subcage, which I don't know. I think that's the same bike too, because it's got the same Two Brothers exhaust and stuff that the 636 had when I had it, but it looks way different than when I had it. Doing a little bit of swerve because we're getting over. Let's see if we can make it. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Watch out, pal. Come on, come on. Oh, this guy doesn't... He's not a part of this. Oh, come on. Arm pump's kicking in. Ah! There we go. Okay. I'm successful. I'll go down. Oh, man, if I had just all the stamina in the world, I could go as long as the bike wants to. But my arm just can't take it. Alright, I'm gonna swap batteries. Back at it again with the white van. Brother! What are you talking about? The chain guard? Oh yeah, that it's blue? I wonder how she did that actually. Is that paint? Or wrap? I didn't even think about it. Like, I noticed that it was blue, but I didn't even think about, like, I mean, it's a plastic piece. You can't powder coat it. Oh! FZ, stoppy! FZ, stoppy! Stoppy! Oh, yeah, boy. Jackson up here, doing scrapes, rev limiter coasters. Video. Whoa! You be careful, sir. Oh! You eat ass! What the hell? Oh my gosh! Water bottle! Woo! That was scary. My gas is dripping and got on my foot peg and I slipped a little bit. Oh. Knee knocker, bruh. Oh, dippy dip. Dippity dippity dip dip dip. Yeah. My seat's falling off, I think. What the hell? I knew it. I knew it felt weird. trying to take me out this weekend. What is wrong with my shit? Alright, you stay. Oh, they got like magic bikes, but opposite. That's literally crazy. Oh shit. I was gonna park it. Let's do a podium from up here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Flexible, boy.